Hi planner friends, this is Kathleen with Apricot Tree Planning, and I wanted to show you this really speedy plan with me that's a mock-up of the new kit in my shop called Garden Variety Bunnies, and it is such a sweet spring kit. You could use it for Easter for sure, but I really think it works anytime during the spring. It's got this really fun clip art with it, and it's veggies and bunnies and cute like iron fence, and I just think it turned out darling. I do this in a recollections planner, and my kits come formatted for Erin Condren Happy Planner in the Leafy Treetops, vertical and horizontal. And then there's also a little TN kit that's where the full boxes are a little shorter. So those of you who plan in like TNs, B6 and stuff, you have a little more planning space because the full boxes are a little smaller. But look how cute this is. Oh my gosh, I just love these graphics. I mean, I know this isn't everybody's cup of tea, just like the fashion girls aren't my cup of tea, but I think this is just adorable, and I hope you will too. I hope you guys have a fabulous time getting ready for spring planners and have lots of fun shopping. Check this one out in my Etsy shop. Thanks for watching.